So screen shade. This is like this tool. Remember when we had overhead projectors and we put a paper down over our material just to show a little bit of content at a time? That's what this screen shade is. It's going to do the same thing, so we can pull our screens down to reveal little information at a time. So that's our screen shade icon. If I was teaching a math lesson, maybe I would pull from the left side. We're talking about 4 plus 6 equals 10 is the same thing as 6 plus 4 equals 10. I can also pull down a little bit from the top to reveal all of my content. So I can either pull from the top or bottom, left or right. I can't pull from the top and bottom at the same time. If I wanted to pull from the bottom, I would have to keep pushing my content up until the bottom started to show. Same thing with left and right. If I want to show the left content, I can show the left content. If I want to show the right side, I have to close the screen shade completely to the left, and then I can start revealing to the right. So there are limitations with this screen shade, but it is the easiest way to create interactivity with you and the board. Okay, so that is our screen shade. To get to our screen shade, you're going to look for this icon right here in the middle, and it is located right here up on your tools, or on your toolbar. If you don't see it on your toolbar, go to the upper right hand corner where you see the cog or the wheel where it says customize the toolbar. Click there, and then we're going to look for the screen shade icon. It is in alphabetical order, and I see screen shade. I'm just going to click and drag my screen shade, and it's okay if you drop it over the another icon. It's just going to move all the icons over. And so now the screen shade is in your tool tab. Click done. If I click this red X on my screen shade, it'll just close out my screen shade. If I want to bring it back, I'm going to look for that screen shade icon. If you hover right over the icon, it'll tell you what it is. Show hide screen shade. Click, and there's my screen shade. And the cool thing is I can accessorize my lesson plan, and if I click on the screen shade, I can go and choose any color that I want. That's pre-made colors. But once I find a color that I like that yellow. There you go, nice contrast with the blue. And I save my notebook file, it's going to save it as that screen shade. But if you do click it again, it is going to change the color. So don't be too stuck on which color you like, because it might change. Okay. So like I said, in order to close out the screen shade, we can either press this X in the upper right hand corner of the screen shade, or we can click on the screen shade icon and the screen shade will go away. But this icon in the middle is the icon for the screen shade. So if you do want it, click on that icon found in the toolbar. Okay, enjoy.